Just in regards to the poison, quickly.
Yeah, I was going to respond to that.
Sorry, just in regards to the poison, as I said, that isn't in the earliest manuscript, so the poison doesn't work, and also in regards to... But even if it was in the earliest manuscripts... Okay, you can respond.
I would love to know, I would love to know actually, if you can drink that poison. Because remember guys what Muhammad says? Just drink the poison, get a date, it should help you.
That's right, it says that.
Okay? Date? Can someone go and get a date? And also can someone check if it is poison or not?
Right, I think we should leave that there. I don't know what the public liability is like here, Hamza.
I'm feeling a bit...
Right.
So of course someone needs to question if that is poison or some deception is going there or not. Sure we will check that.
Right, thank you. We've just got a time as well.